Now we are going to learn the remaining problem in a problem set from question number 2 to question number 7. आज आपण प्रॉब्लेम सेट 3 मधील उर्वरित प्रॉब्लेमचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. Problem number 2 in a problem set. Find the question number 2 in a problem set 3. Find the fourth term from the end in an arithmetic progression minus 11, minus 8, minus 5, dash dash 49. Meaning of this problem, minus 11, minus 8, minus 5, dash dash 49 ही अंकगणित श्रेणी दिलेली आहे. या अंकगणित श्रेणीच्या शेवटाकडून चौथी संख्या कोणती आहे ते आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. शेवटच्या संख्येकडून 4 नंबरचं पद कोणते, म्हणजे 49 हे लास्ट नंबर आहे, तर आपल्याला लास्ट नंबरला फर्स्ट नंबर कन्सिडर करून चौथ्या नंबरचं पद कोणतं आहे ते काढायचं आहे. सोल्युशन. In this arithmetic progression minus 11, minus 8, minus 5, dash dash 49. First term is minus 11, second term is a minus 8. Start from the first. But this arithmetic progression start from the end terms. 49 is a first term, then next term, the next term, and minus 11 is the last term. When you count the number or terms from the end. Therefore, first term from the end is equal to 49. And this last term is a minus 11, is a tn is equal to minus 11. En minus 1 is equal to minus 8. Common difference between two consecutive terms, that is d is equal to tn minus 1 is equal to minus 11 minus of minus 8. Minus 11 plus 8 is equal to minus 3. Therefore, a is equal to 49 and d is equal to minus 3. By using the nth term of an arithmetic progression, that is tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiply d. Here, you know, a is a first term, d is a common difference. Therefore, to find the fourth term from the end, therefore t4 means n is equal to 4. t4 is equal to 49 plus 4 minus 1 multiply minus 3. t4 is equal to 49 plus 3 multiply minus 3. 49 minus plus minus 9. 49 minus 9 is equal to 40. Therefore, this is a t4 is a fourth term from the end is equal to 40. Third problem. In an arithmetic progression, the 10th term is 46. Sum of the 5th and 7th term is 52. Find the arithmetic progression. अंकगणित श्रेणीमध्ये 10वे पद 46 आणि 5व्या आणि 7व्या पदाची बेरीज 52 आहे, तर ती अंकगणित श्रेणी शोधा. सोल्युशन. गिवन 10th term is 46 of an arithmetic progression and the sum of 5th and 7th term is a 52. Therefore, t5 plus t7 is equal to 52. By using nth term of an arithmetic progression, tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiply d. Here, first 10th term is given 46, then we get t10. t10 is equal to 46. Therefore, t10 is equal to a plus 10 minus 1 multiply d is equal to 46. a plus 9d is equal to 46. We get equation number 1 from 10th term. And sum of 5th term and 7th term is given 52. Again, to find t5 plus t7 is equal to 52. By using nth term of an arithmetic progression, t5, a plus 5 minus 1 multiply d plus t7, a plus 7 minus 1 multiply d is equal to 52. a plus 5 minus 1d plus 4d plus a plus 6d is equal to 52. A plus a is a 2a plus 4d plus 6d is equal to plus 10d is equal to 52. We get equation number 2. Multiply equation 2 by 2 we get. Means equation number is a plus 9d is equal to 46. Equation number 2 is a 2a plus 40d is equal to 52. The coefficient of a in equation 2 is the 2 and in equation 1 coefficient of a is a 1. Equation here 2a plus multiply 2 by equation number 1 2a 2 multiply a plus 9d is equal to 46. 2a plus 9d into 2 is 18d is equal to 46 multiply 2 is equal to 92. We get equation number 3. म्हणजे समीकरण 1 ला जर 2 ने गुणले तर a चा सहगुणक समान होतो म्हणून समीकरण 1 ला 2 ने गुणून then we get 2a plus 18d is equal to 92, equation number 3. From equation 2 and 3 then 2a plus 18d minus 2a plus 10d is equal to 92 minus 52. Subtract equation 2 from equation 3, then we get this. 2a plus 18d minus multiply minus 2a minus 10d is equal to 92 minus 52 plus 2a minus 2a get cancelled plus 18d minus 10d is equal to 8d is equal to 92 minus 52 is equal to 40. Therefore 8 goes down RHS side, then we get divide. D is equal to 40 upon 8. 8 5s are 40. Therefore the value of D is equal to 5. Substitute the value of D in equation 1. Equation 1 is a plus 9d is equal to 46. Therefore a plus 9 multiply 5 is equal to 46. A plus 45 is equal to 46. 45 goes down RHS side, then we get minus 46 minus 45 is equal to 1. Therefore a is equal to 1. Hence, find the arithmetic progression. The value of a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 5. Then you get first term is a is equal to 1. Second term t1 plus d, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Third term t2 plus d, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. In this way, then you get arithmetic progression 1, 6, 11 and so on. This is the answer. Problem number 4. The arithmetic progression in which fourth term is minus 15 and ninth term is minus 30. Find the sum of the first 10 numbers. अंकगणित श्रेणीच्या चौथे पद मायनस 15 दिलेलं आहे, नववे पद मायनस 30 दिलेलं आहे. त्यावरून अंकगणित श्रेणीच्या पहिल्या 10 पदांची बेरीज किती. सोल्युशन. फोर्थ टर्म इज minus 15, therefore t4 is equal to minus 15 and ninth term is minus 30, t9 is equal to minus 30. By using nth term of an arithmetic progression, tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiply d. Here fourth term means t4 is equal to minus 15 is given. Therefore a plus 4 minus 1d multiply is equal to t4 is a minus 15. A plus 4 minus 1 is a 3d. A plus 3d is equal to minus 15, equation number 1. And ninth term is minus 30 is given. T9 is equal to minus 30. A plus n minus 1 means 9 minus 1 multiply d is equal to T9. T9 is a minus 30. A plus 8d is equal to minus 30. We get equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, the coefficient of A is a same. Therefore, subtract equation 1 from 2. समीकरण 2 मधून समीकरण 1 वजा करूया. A plus 8d minus a plus 3d is equal to minus 30 minus of minus 15. Here a minus a get 0. 8d minus 3d is equal to 5d. Minus 30 minus minus plus is a 15. Minus 30 plus 15 is equal to minus 15. Therefore, this 5d is equal to minus 15. 5 goes on RHS side, then we get divide. D is equal to minus 15 upon 5. 5 3s are 15. D is equal to minus 3. Substitute the value of D in equation 1. This equation 1, a plus 3d is equal to minus 15. Then we get the value of a. A plus 3 multiply minus 3 is equal to minus 15. A plus minus minus a minus 9 is equal to minus 15. This minus 9 goes down RHS side, then you get plus a is equal to minus 15 plus 9 is equal to minus 6. Then a is equal to minus 6 and d is equal to minus 3. Then to find the sum of the first 10 numbers, by using sum of nth term of an arithmetic progression, that is Sn, n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 multiply d. Here 10th term means n is equal to 10. Therefore, S10 is equal to 10 upon 2. 2 multiply the value of a is a minus 6 plus 10 minus 1 multiply the value of d is a minus 3. 2 5s are 10. S10 is equal to 5 in bracket minus 6 multiply 2 minus 12 plus 9 multiply minus 3. S10 is equal to 5 in bracket minus 12 plus minus minus 9 3s are 27. Minus 12 minus 27 is a minus 39. Therefore, S10 is equal to 5 multiply minus 39 is equal to minus 195. This is the sum of the first 10 numbers is minus 195. Problem number 5. Two arithmetic progression are given 9, 7, 5 dash dash and 24, 21, 18 dash dash. If nth term of both the progression are equal, then find the value of n and nth term. दोन अंकगणित श्रेणी या ठिकाणी दिलेल्या आहेत 9, 7, 5 dash dash आणि 24, 21, 18. If nth term of both the progression are equal, दोन्हीही arithmetic progression साठी nth term समान आहे. Then find the value of nth term. तर ते nth पद कोणते आहे? Solution. Given arithmetic progression is a first 9, 7, 5 dash dash. First term a is equal to 9. Second term t2 is equal to 7. Third term t3 is equal to 5. Then common difference we get t2 minus t1, 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2, or 7 minus 9 is also is equal to minus 2. Common difference d is equal to minus 2. A is equal to 9 for the first arithmetic progression. Similarly, given second arithmetic progression 24, 21, 18 dash dash. First term a is equal to 24. Second term t2 is equal to 21. Third term t3 is equal to 18. Then you get common difference t3 minus t2. 18 minus 21 is equal to minus 3. For second arithmetic progression, a is equal to 24 and d is equal to minus 3. Nth term of both arithmetic progression are same. That is, nth term of an arithmetic progression is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiply d. But the nth term, this Tn a plus n minus 1 multiply d. Nth term is the same for both arithmetic progression. Therefore, in a first arithmetic progression, a 9, 7, 5 dash dash, the a is equal to 9 and d is equal to minus 2. For second arithmetic progression, a is equal to 24 and d is equal to minus 3. Therefore, Tn for the first arithmetic progression is equal to Tn of the second arithmetic progression. Then we get for the first arithmetic progression a plus n minus 1 multiply d. 9 plus n minus 1 multiply minus 2 is equal to, for second arithmetic progression a plus n minus 1 multiply d. 24 plus n minus 1 multiply minus 3. Okay, 9 n minus is a minus 2 multiply n minus 1 minus 2 multiply n minus 2n minus minus plus 2 into 1 is a 2. 9 minus 2n plus 2 is equal to 24. Minus 3 multiply minus n plus n is a minus 3n. Minus 3 multiply minus 1 minus minus plus 3. Therefore, 24 minus 3n plus 3 Here 9 plus 2 is a 11 minus 2n is equal to 24 plus 3 is a 27 minus 3n. This minus 3n goes on LHS side, then we get plus 3n minus 2n. Plus 11 goes on RHS side, then we get minus 27 minus 11. 3n minus 2n is equal to n, and 27 minus 11 is equal to 16. Therefore, n is equal to 16. The nth term of an arithmetic progression, therefore, a is equal to 9, d is equal to minus 2, and n is equal to 16. Then we get Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiply d, 9 plus 16 minus 1 multiply minus 2. 9, here is a 16 minus 1 is a 15. 15 minus 2 minus plus minus 15 multiply 2. 9 minus 30 is equal to minus 21. Hence, Tn is equal to minus 21. Or also to find nth term, take for second arithmetic progression a is equal to 24, d is equal to minus 3, then we get n is equal to 16, then we get Tn is equal to minus 21 is the same nth term. This is the answer. The nth term of both arithmetic progression is minus 21. Problem number 6. If sum of third and eighth term of an arithmetic progression is 7 and sum of the 7th and 14th term is minus 3, find the 10th term. एका अंकगणित श्रेणीच्या तिसऱ्या आणि 8व्या पदाची बेरीज 7 आहे आणि 7व्या आणि 14व्या पदाची बेरीज minus 3 आहे. तर त्या अंकगणित श्रेणीसाठी 10वे पद काढा. Solution. Nth term of an arithmetic progression Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiply d. His given condition, sum of third and eighth term of an arithmetic progression is 7. Means T3 plus T8 is equal to 7. From Tn, a plus n minus 1 multiply d, then we get T3, a plus 3 minus 1 multiply d, plus T8, a plus 8 minus 1 multiply d is equal to 7. Here a plus 2d plus a plus 7d is equal to 7. Solve this bracket. A plus a is a 2a plus 2d plus 7d is equal to plus 9d is equal to 7. 2a plus 9d is equal to 7. We get equation number 1. Similarly, 7th and sum of 7th and 14th term is minus 3. Therefore, T7 plus T14 is equal to minus 3. By using this Tn formula, a plus 7 minus 1d plus a plus 14 minus 1d is equal to minus 3. A plus 6d plus a plus 13d is equal to minus 3. A plus a is a 2a plus 6d plus 13d is equal to plus 19d is equal to minus 3. We get equation number 2. From equation 1, 2a plus 9d is equal to 7. And from equation 2, 2a plus 19d is equal to minus 3. Coefficient of a is the same in both equations. Therefore, subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. समीकरण 1 2 मधून वजा करूया. 2a plus 19d minus in bracket 2a plus 9d is equal to minus 3 minus 7. Here solve this bracket. 2a plus 19d minus 2a minus 9d is equal to minus 10. Here 2a minus 2a get cancelled. Plus 19d minus 9d is equal to 10d is equal to minus 10. This 10 goes down RHS side, then we divide. D is equal to minus 10 upon 10 is equal to minus 1. D is equal to minus 1. The value of D minus 1, substitute in equation number 1, we get 2a plus 9d is equal to 7. The value of d is equal to minus 1. 2a plus 9 multiply minus 1 is equal to 7. 2a minus 9 is equal to 7. Minus 9 goes on RHS side, then we get plus. 2a is equal to 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. 2 divide 16, then you get 2 8s are 16. A is equal to 8. Hence, to find the 10th term, therefore 10th term is the T10 is equal to 8 plus the value of A is 8 plus 19 minus 1 multiplied D minus 1. Here 8 plus 9 multiply minus 1 is a minus 9. T10 is equal to 8 minus 9 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, 10th term of this arithmetic progression is minus 1.